Hello math learners, so for today's video we are going to proceed in lesson 4 and that is all about the quadratic function. So for the last video in grade 9, I already discussed quadratic inequality. So ngayon, for this year, medyo ipo-focus ko rin yung ibang lessons natin for the past grade level 7, 8, and 9. Okay? So now, proceed na tayo sa quadratic functions. So, what is quadratic function first? So, a function for f of x is equal to ax squared plus bx plus c, in which a is not equal to 0. Kasi with a stands as the leading coefficient. If it becomes 0, there is no quadratic term. Kaya a is not equal to 0. Where a, b, c are real numbers and a, once again, is not equal to 0. In function, you may use the notation of f of x. Hindi lang po f of x na pwede nyo magamit. Pwede ring y or p of x if polynomial functions. And since this is already part of polynomial functions, or maybe g of x. The graph of the quadratic function is called a parabola. Ano po ba yung tsura ng parabola? Pwede siyang upward, pwede siyang downward in quadratic function. Pero sa conic section, yung ganitong klase ng ganito, to the left and to the right, ay sa conic section po sa pre-calculus para sa mga madidiscuss, sa mga mag-i-STEM pagdating ng inyong grade 11. What is a parabola? Parabola, it is a U-shaped curve that may open up or down depending on the sign of the coefficient a. So, paano kaya natin nasabi yun? So, ways of solving. So, first, ito muna, ways of solving. Number 1 is table of values. Standard form or the vertex form, ito. Then, regarding to vertex form, the axis of symmetry is ax is equal to h. Next one is minimum and maximum point, the k, where h is equal to the axis of symmetry and the minimum or maximum point. Vertex, ito, pag-examine nyo. Then, where h, so kapag solving, ito yung parang technique mo. Mamaya ma-apply natin itong dalawang ito. So, the graphs of. So, sabi nga dito, sa meaning ng parabola, So, sabi dito yung it is a U-shape. Depende daw sa sign ng leading coefficient. So, ito, if a is greater than 0 or if a is positive. Then, ito naman, a is less than 0. Ganito ang graph if if the value of a is negative. This is the vertex at minimum point. If the parabola opens upward, then the vertex is in the minimum point. If the parabola opens downward, the vertex is in the maximum point. Kita nyo naman, ito nasa taas, ito sa baba. So, what is this two line? This is the axis of symmetry. So, as you can see, if you're going to analyze, what is the value of x here? 4, di ba? X is equal to 4. Analyze nyo lang dito. And dito naman, negative 3. So, ganun na. Kunwari lang. Kasi, try lang natin. Ngayon, solve problem number 1. Ay, solve natin siya using tables of values. So, ito yung given natin. Ito naman. Kasi, di na ako gumawa ng specific graphs kung paano siya halimbawa. O ito yung halimbawa Cartesian thing. Halimbawa, negative 2. Tapos nandito yung positive 21. So, nandito yung positive 21. Tapos ito man, negative 1. Nandito naman yung negative 8. Tapos yung 0 no, nasaan? Nasa 1. Oh, ito na, lagyan natin ng line. Point. Expanding point. Oh, 0, 1. Positive 1 no. Oh, 1. 1, 0. Dito yun. Then, yung 2. Let us imagine this is 5. Ngayon, ang gagawin nyo dyan, connect nyo. Ganun lang. Okay? Ngayon, ito, meron tayong 2 techniques sa pagsosolve ng gamit ng vertex form. Sorry for the inconvenient noise for unnecessary noises. So na, meron tayong technique. Una muna yung normal solving nito. Using the completing square, if you still remember the method of solving the quadratic equation. So, at number 1, ganito. Then, syempre pwede naman siya i-substitute y. Then another one is we have 3x squared. Ayan. Hiniwalay po natin yung 1. Ngayon, paano po natin ito nakuha? Using the completing the square, you are going to find the half of it. So, that is negative 2/3. Then, square it. 2 times 2 is 4 and 3 times 3 is 9. Kapag ganon, diba, since we have parang transpose dito sa kabila, negative 3 and 4 over 9. So, 1 minus 3, 3 and 4. 3 times 4 over 9. Since meron po kasi tayo number dito, yung leading coefficient niya is 3, hindi naman 1. Kaya ganun po ang ginawa. Ngayon, simplify nyo ito, 12 over 9. 1 minus 12 over 9, negative 1/3. Ngayon, paano naman ito? In-square lang po natin. So, ano po ang h? No. So, ito ay tinatranspose ito. Let us equate this that equal to 0. Then, kapag nilipat nito sa kabila, ito yun. Indication. Ganun lang. Itong negative 1/3, wala namang plus na, wala namang talaga na equal to. Kaya, ito. Kaya negative. Kung negative pa lang ito, ayan. Your leading coefficient is 3. Now, how about the shortcut method? Using this, so by finding h, so, ano ba B nyo? This is A, this is your A, B, C. Now, you are going to find the h, so ano pong B natin? Negative 4. Ano po yung A nyo? 3. A nyo is 3, C nyo 1, then yung B nyo is negative 4. Then ngayon, susort natin. Ito ay lowest term po natin. Lowest term. Kaya mayroon ka makitang divided by 4. Ano po? Diba pares lang po ang result? Then, paano, sa leading coefficient, ito lang. Diba? Ito. Next one. Ngayon, graph naman. So, ito na yung nakuha nyo. Ang inyong h, ito. This is h and k. This is your vertex. Medyo hindi lang siya exposed sa ano. This is negative 1/3. Diba? And this is positive 2/3. 0.66, 0.67. Para po maano nyo, in your manual graphing, you can use, you can convert this fraction into decimal. Ngayon, parabolas open up. So, since A is greater than 0, positive po kasi ang ating number. How about this? This is your axis of symmetry, 2/3. Where h is equal to 2/3. the vertex is yung minimum point since A is bigger than 0. Ganun lang. Ito naman, table of values. Ganyan. Ngayon, kung tatry nyo siya ulit, bawa, ito yung graph nyo. Negative 2, positive 9. Ito yung positive 9. Then, negative 1, positive 10. 0, positive 7. 1, since negative 4, then 2, so kung connect nyo yan, with positive pababa lang. Yun. Using vertex 4, shortcut method na lang po na ang gagawin natin na ngayon, so don't bind the darks. So, ayan. So, ano po yung B natin? Negative 5. Your A is negative. And your C is 7. Now, so, ano po natin? Ito po ang result. Yung H nyo is negative 5 over 4, where your K is 7, positive. Now, your A is equal to negative 2. Now, using your graph, so, your graph is this. So, this is your vertex is negative 5 over 4 and 7. Then, vertex is in the maximum point since A is less than 0 or negative. Or A is a negative number. Ay, nagmukhang yeah, so parabola opens downwards since A is negative or A is less than 0. Then this is your axis of symmetry. Now, this is your nativity. So, di naman required na sagutin nyo ito. Just a review, try nyo lang. Evaluate the following quadratic functions using table of values and vertex 4. So, that's all. And ito, kung gusto nyo ma-browse yung aking PowerPoint presentation, open nyo itong aking website at doon nyo rin mababrowse yung aking mathematics 9 classroom at doon nyo pinaka-mabubuksan. So, that's all for today. Thanks for watching.